Hello everyone, so we will continue our DEX topic, and in this particular video we have a few business requirement. Based on that we will try to learn more about the DEX topics. So let's first understand what is the requirement it is saying. So business wants to know how many orders are getting shipped on time and how many orders are getting delayed. So this is the requirement from business. So suppose 100 orders is happening. Out of 100 orders, 80 orders are delivered on time and suppose 20 orders are delayed. So they want to know how many orders are getting delivered on time and how many orders are getting delayed. So this is the requirement from our business and this we had to solve. And how actually we will know what is a on time and what is a delay type. So they have clearly mentioned if the order is getting delivered within a 3 days. If it is getting delivered within a 3 days, then we are saying it is a on time. If it is more, then we are saying the orders are getting delayed. So that is the requirement. Now if you will see in the data, right, if you'll see in the data, we don't have any calculation for the on time and the delay. We don't have any calculation for the on time and the delay. So what we had to do, we had to derive this. We had to derive this like how much time it takes to deliver that particular order. So this column we had to derive. How actually we will derive? We will derive this based on this particular condition. Now for this what we will use? We will use a DEX function. We will use a DEX function. Now how actually we can derive? So we have one order date column, means when the order is happening. We have a order date column and we also have one ship date column. We have also a ship date when order actually is getting shipped. So what actually we will do? If we'll do a minus of this order date and the ship date, we will get to know how much time actually it took to deliver the order. So based on this order date and the minus ship date, if we'll do, right, whatever the date difference, based on that what actually we'll do, we'll derive one column that will tell whether it is a delayed or whether it is a on time. So that calculation we will do, and based on that we'll create a visualization. Now coming to the solutioning part, so we have a two date. One is the order date, second is the ship date. So what actually we will do, we'll use a date diff. We have a one function date diff. With the help of that we can find out the difference of the two dates. We have a date diff. With the help of that we can find out the difference of the two dates. So this will tell me how much time it is taking to deliver the order. Suppose it is taking 3 days, 4 days, 5, 6 days. So we will create one column that will tell me how much time it is taking to deliver the order. And after that what we will do, we will apply another DEX function, that is a if. What actually we will say? We will say in this particular this column, if the delay on time column, if it is a greater than 3 days, if it is a greater than 3 days, then we will say it is a delay. Otherwise we will say it is a on time. So that is the calculation we had to do with the help of the DEX. So let's see how actually we can do. So let me open. So this is the data we have. We are using a Superstore same data set. Now what actually I will do here, and here if you will see, right, we have one order date column and we have also a ship date column. Now ship date is not showing in a proper date format, so click here, click on the date and time, so that it will show in a proper. Now after that click on the refresh. Now we have a order date column, we have a ship date column. What actually we'll do, we'll create a new column based on this. So we'll do a minus. How actually we can do, we'll create a new column and we will create a column name as a delay or on time. Delay on time, this is the column we are going to create. And what actually we will write here, we'll use a date diff. Date difference, what actually it will do, it will do a minus of two date function. If you have a two date column, if with the help of date difference we can do a we can find out the date difference. So suppose I will use orders. We have a order date, right? So we will use a orders order date. This is the orders date, comma, which particular column you want to minus. I want to minus with the order ship date, so I will use a orders ship date. So we have a ship date also somewhere. This is the ship date. Now based on what actually you want to calculate, I want to see based on the day, like how many day difference is there. So if I click on this, right, you can see one delay and on time actually got created, and this will tell me how much time it is taking to deliver any order. So you can see order date was 13 and 19. What is the day difference? That is a 6 day. So based on this particular, we are calculating how much time actually it is taking to deliver. Now as of now, if you will see, right, still we have this all the column like how much time actually it is taking to deliver it, but we have to calculate whether it is delayed or not. So if it is taking more than 3 days, then it is a delayed. If it is taking less than 4 days, then it is a on time. So how actually we can create that? So further click on the new column. We'll create one more column, stat delay on time. You can give any name. I am giving stat delay on time. What is the delay on time status? And what actually I will do, I will use a if function. So if also we have one of the DAX function which is available with the head verb that we can write a some condition. So if what I will say, if delay, I'll use orders. In the orders we have a one column we have created, right? uh, Delay on time. If orders delay on time, if this is greater than 3 days, then what actually we are saying, if it is a greater than 3 days, then we are saying delay, otherwise we will say on time, on time. So what actually I am writing one condition. If orders delay on time, whatever the orders delay on time we have created, right, this column we have created, if it is taking more than 3 days, then we are saying it is a delay, otherwise we are saying it is a on time. Now let me enter this. You can see now it is saying me the giving me the order. If order is greater than 3 days, then it is saying delay, and if it is a less than then it will say the on time. So like that you can see, if it is a 3 days, then it is a on time. So like this actually we have created this. Now let's see how actually we can create the visualization. I'll go here, I'll create a new page. So what we'll do, we'll create a pie chart. In the pie chart, what I will select, this is the status, right? This will select as a legend. And what actually we'll select, values. In the values we will select the order ID. So drag the values in the order ID. So now you can see this is the chart actually got created. You can see 68% of the orders are getting delayed, and only the 31% are delivered on time. So this is the good chart which is giving me good info about the how actually orders is getting delivered or whether it is a delay. So now we have seen about the two DAX function in this video. One is the if. So whenever you have to give any logical condition, right? So you can use a if. Based on the certain condition, you can derive any field column. So that is the if. And the second we have understand about the date diff. So if you have a two dates and if you want to find out the difference, you can use a date diff. Yeah, that's it in this way. Please do practice. It's very important.